It's time to go to bed. Oh, I think it's time to go to bed. And it's time to go um offline, guys, because I've been been live for 27 hours, and I'm proud of that. I'm proud of 27 hours live stream. So that's all for today live, guys. Thank you so much. And before we go, let's just make some shout out and little shout out to all of our channel members, sponsors, and any other friends over there. Shout out to Georgie, Marcelo Misuno, Prince Jomar Oladi, Cici Anja, Steven Taylor, Long Dai Gang Mei, Paulo Fagundes, Liu He, shout out, thank you so much, and shout out to Halika Rito, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and special shout out to Sweet Jerry, my dear friend Andrew, and he's in the hospital now, hoping for fast recovery, and to all of our sponsor, guys, and to all of the people who is supporting my life now. Thank you for um praying for my recovery. So I'm a little fine now, but trying for much more recovery. Again, shout out to Sweet Jerry, thank you so much, and to Abu Sitin Keloglan, Lewis William, Colatsara Mukesh, Juan Daniel, Arturo Cruz Reyes, Manuel Pularco, Mommy David Contreras Lewis, shout out, Colatora Mukesh, love no and good times. Bubon Shipedin, Clarence Milling, Itar Mara, School Stop, Joe Lopez Esteves, Bubon Shipeden, Julio Torres, and to all who support my channel. Again, shout out to Sweet Cherry. Thanks so much, Sweet, for supporting my channel. And later, guys, I'm just gonna end this live, and later I'm gonna go live again for day for my daily life. It's my daily life, guys, for the sleep stream. So I'm gonna sleep stream later, but this live will be ended now. It's for another live, the next live. And thank you so much, and bye bye again. Sponsor, guys, subscribe, and don't click the bell button so you'll get notified to my next live, and subscribe to my brother's channel, Mr. Boardman. Just um, search Mr. Boardman, and you're gonna see some slip streams over there, some muscle workout, and any other um, vlogs. So that's it, guys. I love you all.